Okay, for this next one, what we're doing is we are going to once again ask. So I'm going to duplicate this. Whoops. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm only duplicating that one. So I'm going to ask, what's your name? And wait, it's going to wait for a response. And then I'm going to also duplicate this, and I'm going to ask a second question. That question is going to be, how old are you? That's what we're doing there. Okay, so that's what's happening there. So what we're going to do is, so now when we run this, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to run this, and ask, what's your name? My name is Sir. How old are you? 15. It doesn't do anything with it, so it's taken, it's put it in there. What I want to do is, I want to output, I want it to say, I want it for it to output, I want it to say, your name is, and then I also wanted to say how old someone is. You are however years old, so I want something like this join. So I'm going to say your name is, so this, your name is, um, and you are. Now, if we do that and we have our answer, which is this, we put that in here. So your name is answer and you are. Let's run that and see what happens. What's your name? My name is Sir. How old are you? 15. It's telling me that I am 15. I'll put this for a bit longer. Leave it 6 seconds. Let's run it again. What's your name? My name is Sir. I am 15. And I press enter and it's telling me my name is 15. So that's not quite right. Can anyone suggest why that's happening? Well, that's happening because it's responding to the latest input. If we swap these around, and we go like this, we'll put that in its place. And we run that. How old are you? 15. What's your name? My name is Sir. Now it's telling me my name is Sir and you are, but it doesn't give me an age. That's because what's happening here is it's storing it in a variable called answer. But the problem is that answer is only temporary and it only holds one data value. So all it's doing is just holding the last data value. What we've got to do instead is we've got to make another variable. So we go to variables and we say make a variable. We're going to have one thing, call it name. We're going to make another one, we're going to call it age. And right now they come up, nothing is being stored there. So what we do is after this, how old are you? What we'll do is we'll say set age to answer. I'm going to drag this answer. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to drag it. And then after asking their name, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set name to answer. And then we're going to put that, set name to answer. And what we're going to do is your name is, and in here I'm going to put down name. So I'm going to drag that in, and you are going to drag that across, and I'm going to say years old. So I'm going to click on this one. I'll click on this, and it'll ask me those questions, and it should output the contents of the variables. So how old are you? I am 15. My name is Sir, and it says your name is Sir, and you are 15 years old. So what's happened there is that here we've made some variables. These are not temporary. These can store different things in there. So unlike this, which only holds one variable, what we're doing is we're creating a variable, and we're setting that variable to whatever is the response here. Once again, we're setting this variable name to whatever the next response was. So this only holds, like all variables only hold one piece of data. And what's going on is that that one piece of data then gets transferred to this, so that when it's overwritten, it's not lost. So it's being stored somewhere else. And that is what's being put out here in our output. So what I'd like for you to do is to ask someone, so you should be able to ask the user which house they're in, and also which home group they are in, and then the idea is they should be able to display it like this. So you're asking someone which house they're in and which home group they're in. So two questions, two variables, two responses.